Yo, what's up? Baby. Rashad back again. As a waiver, I was looking at the lay down G, and I saw it's a pretty useful item during my brush sessions. So, you know me, I decided to go shopping to see how much this thing costs. A glove and a plastic bag cost $20.
What?
Do you really think I'm gonna spend $20 on a glove and a plastic bag?
No.
I'm better off getting like $1 worth of Ziploc bags that come like 10 in a pack. But I'm gonna teach you how to make a lay down G. The reason why it's useful is unlike a Ziploc bag, you have more control. I got these two right here. All you're just gonna need is to take a trip to Dollar Tree or Staples and you're going to be all set. Let's go. Here's what you're gonna need. A stapler, scissors, oven mitts, and a Ziploc bag. All these things you can probably find in your local Dollar Tree. Well, except this Ziploc bag, you cannot find this at Dollar Tree, but you can find something that works just as good. Let's get started. Right now, I'm holding the glove. Now I'm putting my scissor under the first thread of the glove, and I'm just going to cut it off, like here. Now that you broke off the first thread, just pull it apart. A lot of this is visuals, so I don't have to explain too much. If you got eyes, you should be able to do this. If you don't have eyes, I don't know why you're watching this video. Now here I kind of messed up, so you won't see the other half of the red mitt, but you have two sides. Now it is separated. Separated, but leave an inch of allowance of the red lining. Separate the lining from the padding. If you gotta use a scissors to cut off excess thread that prevents you from lifting off the padding, do so, like I did in that clip. So do on every side but the bottom. The bottom, leave it alone. Throughout this whole process, leave the bottom alone. And you're going to look like this if you do it correctly. Now I just pull off the excess padding that's hanging off. I suggest using a scissor in this part. It'll make it much neater. I just ripped it off because I didn't think of that at the time, but use a scissor. It'll make life so much easier. You will thank me later. Take off as much as possible and you should be left with this. Now take the Ziploc bag. I suggest before doing this part, cut the two corners at the bottom off, but I didn't do that, but you should do that when you're doing it. So you're just going to cut the two bags, well, you're going to cut the bag into two open halves. Yeah, like here, cut the bottom corners off. And then on the opposite corner, insert the scissor and just cut a little bit. And then you should be able to glide it through like here to the other side. There we go. Now cut that line down the middle, like that. And now you're gonna put the 1/2 next to 1/2 of the mids, like this, bars, and put it. You're going to fold the red and the Ziploc, but you're going to fold it right under the stapler. So you just fold it under the stapler and then staple it right on that spot, like here. So the previous step I didn't explain, but the reason why I made you take off the padding an inch off is when you have that much padding and you decide to rub it on your waves, the extra padding will be on your waves and it won't look too pretty, and you have to do extra brushing to take it off. So that's why I did that. So that's fold, staple, and at the top area where the thumb and the rest of the hand meets, you want to cut down the middle of the Ziploc bag so you have 2 flaps, and then fold on each side. I didn't show it in this clip, but that's what I did. And then I'm just taking off right now extra thread, extra padding that's necessary, and I'm just gonna fold and staple. Remember, don't touch the bottom at all during this whole process. Or the pocket where you insert your hand in, don't touch that area. So it should be 5 staples on each side minimum. And then cut off the excess Ziploc and lining as you choose, but leave some allowance, like I'll say about 1/2 inch of allowance. This step is optional, but I suggest you do it. It makes it look much neater. And this is the finished product. Not the prettiest, but it still works. This is a blue one I made earlier. Hey, these are cheap materials, so it's not going to look too pretty. Well, at least the way I did it. You guys, yours should look prettier than mine. So it's pretty easy. You see how it works. Not too hard. And I'm gonna see you next clip to show you how it works. These are 2 more I made. You saw how to make it. Now let's put it to the test to see if it actually works. So let me unrack my waves. No, I'm gonna brush real quick. Now let's put it to the test. See, look, laying my hair down, look. Let's try two of these bad boys. As you see, they work though. You see my hair? One way to lay down, it works. And this is probably better than the regular lay down G, because this one I can actually feel my waves laying down. And like, comment, subscribe, share with your peoples, and I'ma see you next video. Bye.